Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are a few weeks out of Christmas, and I thought I wanted to make the truck a little festive this year. It's something I've never really done before, but you see all over Instagram and YouTube, we've got people who are setting up Christmas lights all over their truck. Well, I wanted to do it as easy as I possibly could, because I'm not going to spend a bunch of time wiring lights and whatnot for 2 weeks and then have to basically take them off the truck, and you know, it's just going to be a big whole process. So I'm going to do it the cheap, easy, redneck way. And so I bought some lights on Amazon, and they're you can see right here, they're rope LED lights. Regular Christmas lights are obviously, they're very stringy, they're going to get messy, they're going to go all over the place. So I bought these rope lights, and you can see here, get the remote out of here, they're battery powered, so you need 3 AAAs, or pardon me, AA's in there, and that's it. So I'm going to string these up to the bed of the truck. Let's go install them, and we'll see how they turn out. So you can kind of tell they're we're gonna have to stretch them out a little bit to kind of get them good enough so that they can stay down when we tape them, but we're gonna give it a shot. So I'm just putting tape in the areas where the lights aren't, so it's not gonna impede the lighting at all. All right, so we got everything kind of taped down here. Sorry for the gap in the tonneau cover there. I still got my snow tires, but everything's taped down, and I'm going to zip tie and hook everything down now, and we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to take all this tape off, but the plan is to take these hooks, put them right here on the bed, and then just kind of zip tie the light, this here, to the hook, and that should hold it. And then we'll cut all these off after. We're done with the hooks. Everything has been, just to be on the safe side, double zip tied there, as you can see. But we've got everything tied up. I am going to take all that tape off. It should be fine. Everything's double zip tied to there. The last thing to do is the back along here, which I'm going to do after I take my tires out and make sure the tonneau cover's flat.